Hello friends! How are you all doing? Thank you for your patience while I got my shit together. Today, I don't know what it is about streaming, but I feel like every time I go to start a stream, something goes wrong. Today it was my computer, the iMac came unplugged from its power source, and so everything obviously turned off, had to restart, get everything set back up again. I don't know, but I'm here. You're here. It's nice to see folks already hanging out in the chat before I'm going live. So shout out to you, Eric and Osaro, especially for that. Is today the day that I finish my website? Will it actually happen? I don't know. Post your thoughts now in the live chat. What you think the odds are of that actually being the case. Or if you're watching the replay, then shout out to replay viewers. You can leave it in the comments. Let me, like I said, get my shit together and close everything down. How has your week been going, friends? Has it been a good one? I like your positive vibes, Eric. I really do like it, and I feel like I need it. Hi, Chris! Look at all these co-working club members. What fun. Okay. Wow. When my computer shut down and then reopened again, it really did just do the most when it came to reopening every single tab that you could possibly think of. Okay. We're gonna share screen now though. Are we? Yes. Okay. Little bit of a mess. Oh, and you don't want to be seeing that, do you? I forgot I normally move that over. Woohoo! Member for 7 months! Osaro, thank you. Wow. Okay, so I've been streaming on YouTube for like at least that long then, huh? That's exciting. Now I just accidentally closed the window that I wanted in here. My sitemap. Let's find that again. And I'll give you an update on where we are at with the things. Good. Glad you've been having a good week, Chris, and you too, Osaro. So, as we can see from my sitemap, I have pretty much all the pages ready to go. This one I'm missing, and I think I'm just not gonna include it for the first launch. It doesn't exist on the current site, so I think that's fine. It's going to be a page where I link to any like tool that I use, or my office equipment, all of that stuff. Maybe eventually courses that I recommend, things like that. If I do more like opt-ins, that too. Oh, I just realized that I haven't done this page either, and I think that's also okay. I think that I will just link to the contact page for now, and that can be something we follow up with. So let's go tweak that right away. Also, my little key here is that the star is the pages that I have checked on mobile, and I'm happy with how they're looking. There we go. Yep, to answer that question, Corey, just as you ask it. Yeah, so there's obviously more to do. There's more mobile styling that I need to do today, so we will get there. We're gonna make that happen. Let's go in right now and edit our navigation. Oh my gosh! Oh yeah, I miss streaming Animal Crossing, or like streaming games in general, honestly. It's just not been able to be a priority in recent times. Okay, I did make a page. Actually, no, I'm just going to send this to my contact page. Page contact. Cool. Can I send it to... I don't think so. It'd be nice to be able to send it to a specific part of the page, right? But apparently we can't do that, so that's okay. That's what we got. And then in our footer as well, let me just remove this resources link for now. I'm just gonna like straight up delete it. And I might just remove this from the footer for now too, just to make things easier. Hi, Michael. Anyone have experience with Framer? No, I don't. But I've heard good things. I know that last weekend I did a co-working stream, and Furkan was in the chat, was working on something in Framer, I believe. He might show up today, or maybe tomorrow, if we don't get finished today and I need to stream tomorrow as well. Okay. So I'm gonna now go back to my sitemap and leave a little, oops, key for, what stamp should we put? I'm gonna put a thumbs down for the ones that I didn't get to for launch. This comes in an overlay, so the separate page isn't necessarily needed. Maybe we should make it anyway though, because it might be linked to from places. And these can be, yeah, that's fine for now. Ah, I already was using this key to mean pages that I wasn't going to build. Okay, so I need a different key. Let's do +1, meaning they have to be added later. Okay. And I think I can quickly make a page for my font licensing info. I'm just going to open up my old site. So yeah, what we have to do today is a bunch of mobile styling and also hopefully some interactions, but I am fine to ship without interactions to start with. Like, that's going to be the last priority for me. Because do you remember me making this list? If I come over here. Where is it? Here. Interactions I need to set up. Yeah. Okay, so in here I had in my pages right, so this is just all that same information. Are you serious? I can't believe I didn't do rich text for this thing? What the fuck? I feel like that needs to change, but okay. Can I just copy this container? And do I want to? What did I call the page? Font licensing options. Okay, well that makes sense. Okay, now we gotta add in our symbols. Take a nav bar. Nope. Add a footer. And then let's move this in between. Okay. We're gonna delete that class. Oh no! That sucks. So sorry you got locked out. And yeah, Corey, that happened to me kind of with my UK phone number. They shut off my service because I hadn't been like back to the UK because of oh wait, this should be a section div. Because of the pandemic, I like had my trip there cancelled. So yeah, they were like, well, you won't be able to access your number. We're still going to charge you for it, but when you can't access it. And I was like, okay, well that does not work for me. This is why it should be a rich text, because then these links would be showing up properly. That's okay. Where does this button go? I'm going to remove that. Oh no! Yeah, that's the worst when you're like, I haven't been using a username to log in. How would I know? And hey, Melanie, how are you doing today? And helper, do we need to add the brand logo before or after the name? Like YouTube is adding the logo before the name. So actually, that part you're talking about is I would call it the YouTube logo mark. The actual logo is that mark combined with the name. So it depends on how you set it up. Okay. So now this page exists just in case I did need it somewhere. So let's go mark that as a little green thumbs up. And yeah, I haven't done these things, but I think I'm happy for them to just not work for now because I'm rejigging my email stuff. As you can see here, my ideas for that. Okay, time to start looking at some things on mobile. Oh, this is going to be such a big job. I'm going to leave the homepage for last because that's going to be bloody annoying. And then what would be awesome is to have you all help me test this as well. That'd be super fun. Right, let's see. Because I have my font set up in a really stupid way like this, but whatever. I think this might work just by nature of... Okay, why have we got such a large space there though? Of how this was done originally, like I just copied this page. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to redo this whole page at some point, aren't we? That's okay. Yep, that's still working. Working. Ooh, ooh, interesting. Okay, I didn't spot that. Okay, it's there too. Okay. These hand-drawn icons that I made didn't get applied to the other screen sizes, so we need to change that. Yes, so I switched to using Authy as a two-factor authentication app for that reason, because it's like an account that you can log into from another device if needed. Yeah, Google Authenticator app is per device. I also realized that the hard way. Okay, let's see. If I just swap this out, will it look okay? It's a little small, but I think it'll do. Oof. Wait, what's that doing over there? Was that showing? Sometimes things can go a little janky when they're... Oh, and I need to, like, I don't even think I've connected all these links. I meant to do that off stream because that's going to be boring for you all to watch. But okay, yeah, see, it's working fine when you see it here, so... I don't know, very weird indeed. Cool. How's the rest of the page? I think that's fine. Ooh, that's not good. We've got some sideways scroll happening there. Let's see if that happens on an actual mobile. Oh, really? Okay, thanks, Chris. I mean, I don't use Authy. Okay, I'm just going to this on my phone. I'm not getting sideways scroll on my actual phone. Oh, wait. Well, that's because it went to the wrong domain. charliemarie.webflow.io. Okay, I'm still not getting sideways scroll. So that's good. I guess I just won't worry about whatever this is. Unsure. Yeah, totally, Chris. Usually it ends up being an image at fault, right? But I feel like it's especially hard to solve. Ooh, could it be the heading? Potentially. I don't know. It's hard to solve in Webflow because if you use grid, then like, as you can see here, things are going off anyway. I don't know why it does this. If anyone does know, I would love to understand the reason. But see, when I go into preview mode, it all sits in place properly. But in build mode, it just doesn't. No idea fucking why. Yeah, I feel you, Corey. Tea, just not the same. I drink a lot of tea in winter. For some reason, it feels like a winter drink to me. Okay. I feel like I am happy enough with this page right now to put a little star on it. Boop. Right, let's check out the mentoring page. Ooh, did I make the confirmation page? I guess I did. Wow. Okay, so this one needs some work. Clearly. So this is what I have working right now for this. There's this little embedded Calendly where people can book right on the page, which I think is much nicer. Yeah, so different screen sizes. We can have this come much wider, obviously. Should we have it fill the whole space? Probably. Let's just see how that looks like. A bit wide, I think. Let's have it go from 2 to 11. Honestly, this whole page needs rethinking, but you know. This is fine for now. I think when it gets to this point, I'll shrink the avatar image because it's a little large and it's gonna, you know, take up too much vertical space. And, ooh, I'm interested to see how, well, let's ship this first, how the Calendly is looking at this point. Maybe from here I could left align the text? Well, yeah, let's see what the Calendly embed does. I don't know if you all follow my friend Femke. She has a design YouTube channel as well, and she's my co-host on the Design Life podcast. She was tweeting the other day about how she feels like she's the only one who is ever drinking water on Zoom calls. And I feel right up there with her. I'm like constantly taking sips. And don't often see other people on my team doing the same. Okay. Cool. So Calendly, when we get down here, starts to, oh dear. Okay, well that's all those causing some sideways scroll. Okay, there is definitely some issues to fix here. I think from this point, I am going to, this is why I shouldn't use a utility class like this in Webflow. We're gonna remove that and we're gonna call this mentoring header. And then from here we go left aligned. Nice one, Eric. Nice one. How was the stream? And then it should stay there too. Yep. Ah, is this what the Calendly problem is? Oh, my jaw is like really sore. When I'm stressed, I'll like clench my teeth at night. And then, yeah, my jaw ends up clicking. I don't know if you heard that. Sorry, that's probably really gross. Okay. Right, what are we gonna do with these quotes right here? We probably want to have them go down to a grid. What is the grid in? Okay, the grid's on here. Probably 2 by 2 at this point, yeah? Oh, why didn't I round the corners of these? Nope, we want to do that on all. How did I not notice that? I'll keep it 2 by 2, I guess. Ooh, what's happening here? Okay, that's right. And then here we definitely need to go down to 1. Oof, 30 minutes to design a page. That is that short. Okay, let's see what this is doing now. Oh my gosh, there was a time earlier this week when I was working on I added all the open graph imagery and things, sharing imagery to my pages, that I nearly clicked publish with this one selected, and I was like, it's very broken. Not that it would have been a huge deal because it's just my personal website, but yeah. Okay, so Calendly still has some issues, but hey, oi, my trackpad just disconnected. God fucking damn it. Okay, wait on. I've got to go find a lightning cable now. Trackpad's all fun and games until that happens. I guess the same could happen with the Magic Mouse. Okay, there we go. Were you flat or something? Did you need charging? How do I even check that? I don't fucking know. Okay, whatever. Hiya, Key. I don't know if any of you saw on Twitter my coffee disaster that happened earlier this week. But yep, nearly lost my audio interface that I use with my microphone. Okay, I think this looks like it's working now. So, we're gonna star that. Now let's check out the confirmation page. Exactly, Osara, great point. Okay. So we should probably just... I've done it for this as well. I'm going to put that same class on here, I guess. Mentoring header. Nope. 2 to 11. Ooh, okay, let me try and pronounce your name correctly. I'm gonna get this wrong, so I'm gonna need you to put it phonetically in for me. Ogusan? Ogusan? I'm not quite sure the accent over the G, how you're supposed to pronounce that. Teach me, please. Okay, this is definitely a page that could have improvement, like I could lead people to my latest blog post or something after they've booked a session. But for now, we're fine. There's just, you know, plenty of ideas coming to my head. Okay, newsletter page. I believe I started this the other day, so let's see how it went. Look, we got Eric's tweet, we got Chris's tweet. I don't think Nikolai's here today, but we've got Nikolai's tweet as well. Any other co-working club members? Feel free to tweet about the marketing design dispatch, and I'll add your tweet in here too. Oh, interesting. Louis Hahn. Okay. Welcome to the stream. Okay, so let's see how this is doing on... I think I really have to do this one like this, don't I? Oof. Okay, so the tweets, they got some issues. From when we get to like here-ish, I guess. At this point, I wonder if it'd be best to stack these. Yeah, let's start there. So we come to here and we have our grid. We'll have it span. Maybe it can span 8 columns, but be centered. And then this one can be on the second row and go from... Ooh. Okay, that hasn't worked the way I wanted to do that. 3 to... Oh, I gotta... Column 3 to column 10? Does that work out? Yeah, with 2 on either side. Okay, cool. And then for this as well, let's have it go from column 4 to column 9 and see how that looks. Okay, so we can go a bit wider. So this one can go 3 to 10 as well. I'm gonna definitely have to ship this to see. How it's feeling. Where did I add the space between sections here? Interesting. Did I not? Did I not have to? Right, I guess it just lined up there perfectly. Interesting. Okay, so these tweets, what can I do about them? Are you in a grid? How did I do you? Apparently, I just added them. Oh no, they are in a grid. Okay. Okay. So I can have you go 1 to 6. You go 7 to 12. And then you go 1 to 6 on row 4. What happened here? 1 to 6, yeah. Let's just ship this and see how it's going. Are you all working alongside me today? Or are you just hanging? Okay, centered I think is definitely the way to go. But clearly we need some spacing changes. This would probably look better if I swapped these around, wouldn't it? I guess I didn't have to physically swap them. Oops. Okay. So I need to put in a little bit of space there. Oh, I guess I can just change the grid. No, I'm gonna add it on here. This guy here needs some help. Probably like 80. And this can go full width, can't it? Why do I keep clicking on page when I mean to click on this? Let's see. Chris is working, Sarah's working, Eric's working, and shared some specifics on promotional pieces for an upcoming conference and scheduling social media posts. Nice. What's the conference, Eric, if you can talk about it? Okay, that works. Now let's see how that is going down to the next level. Come on, Twitter, why are your embeds not more responsive? I want to see where the point is that the breakpoint changes. So let's do it on this. Make it go across all 12 columns. Same with this. Ellie's working too. Idris is coding in React. Nice. Should we do another Pomodoro stream sometime? While I've been working on my website, I've definitely been like talking my way through what I'm doing. But one time I did a stream where I like set a timer and we all just worked quietly for 30 minutes, then had our break, etc. Could be fun to do that again. Okay, so that point is until there, so I definitely need to change these tweets. And honestly, also, I feel like this can change right from here. Ooh. Right, so at this point we actually want to have these go full width, don't we? random YouTuber. It's a great username. Digital Education Summit, virtual conference for online higher education faculty. Nice. Forgive me if you've actually already told us about that before, Eric. Something about it is sounding familiar. Oh, okay, so our call out doesn't need to be so squished either. Cool. Okay, so the call out. I think I missed that because it's hanging off the side of the screen, right? Let's see, it's probably right from here that we can, yeah, start to do something about it. Okay. Do you have a set width? No, you're just in some columns. Okay, we'll have you go from 6. How about that? Maybe a little wide? 7 then. Okay, cool. And then at here, you can go from 6 to 12. Yeah, that works. And here you can go right from like 2. And you need some additional. Oh, wait, I should put you on. There we go, that might be it, Eric. Okay, while we're talking about beverages while coding and things. Water with ice, can you hear the ice in mine? With ice or room temp? Still or sparkling? What's your preference? Wow, was that really loud when I was shaking that as well? I wasn't even watching the mic levels. Sorry if I just blew up anyone's headphones. Okay. Gonna see what this looks like on my actual phone. It's quite handy because I have the iPhone mini for testing things. It's a good little size. Ooh, room temp, says a deer. Some people don't like cold water. I don't know. I've heard it's a thing. Okay, I'm gonna mark this as boom. Okay, now we go for the sponsor page. Also, I'm gonna edit these numbers everywhere because I have this not many on my email list, but this sounds like a more realistic number. Yeah, no, it is. It's 18,600 is the people who are subscribed to the Dispatch in particular, because I let people unsubscribe from it if they want, while still staying on my list for other things. Let me just edit that on the homepage real quick. Hopefully, I can quickly get it up to 19,000 so it can be a nice number. That's one of my big goals with my new site, is to drive more signups for my newsletter. Okay. So this is what's linked. Hopefully it's actually linked. Yeah, here. Here we go. No ice, but just cold. Okay, nice, Chris. At this point, I think we can just bring the columns closer together. Have you span 7, I guess? And then I feel like I want to stack at this point. Okay, so here you go across all 12. Interesting that I did it like this. Let's just see how that works with the embeds. There we go, see? Room temp is fine with Chris. I'm fine with it too, but I just like prefer ice water. Do you like how I like didn't say anything so I didn't interrupt your meeting, Chris? I'm like, yeah, cool. See you when you get back. Ooh. Interesting. Okay, so maybe I have to have these at this point actually span from column 10. Oh, sorry, I mean from column 8, don't I? I have another recording of the Inside Marketing Design podcast tonight. I'm very excited. This will be the fourth, I think the fourth? Yeah, the fourth episode recorded for the new season so far, which should be launching the week after next, if all goes to plan. Okay, that works. Ooh. Ooh! I forgot the footer on this page. Wow. Gotta love symbols though. How easy that is to add, huh? Okay, and then as we go down further... Yep, that works. Okay. We're gonna call that one done. Oof, the about page is gonna be another annoying one. I'm gonna delay it somewhat. Let's go do speaking first. Because my about page has images with, yeah, positioning and it's a fucking mess. Okay. Why is it doing this? See how it's squished all these tweets? What the actual fuck? Why, Webflow? See, look, they're normal here. To be fair, they are quite large. Why is this happening? Why would these images be squishing themselves? Is it cause of lazy loading? Oops. The fuck? What was that? How did I get into that? Is it to do with their width? I just have no clue. It was happening for these two, to be honest, originally, and it doesn't seem to be anymore. Oh, I must have started working on this page because look how these columns come together. Oh, I did pretty much do this page, apart from these bloody images. Okay, so I'm feeling like it's something to do with Flexbox, because look, as we go, they're like changing. Okay, now it's doing it here. What the fuck? Let's see, let's see. Really? Did ticking just that help? Let's see. Why is some stuff sticking out past the grid here too? I don't know. Webflow, you're crazy. Okay, well, they seem to be working now, I guess. I don't know why that worked, but hey. Okay. Yeah, I really like this, how I've done this here. Have these side by side. Does it work on the smallest screen? Or do I need to drop it down to just one per line? I'm gonna just leave it for now. We're gonna call that page done. Okay. I guess I gotta do the about page. Is there anything more I can procrastinate with? Because the about page and the home page are gonna be the hardest. Yeah, let's do the 404 page. Check out what I've done here. I've got a photo of Seb trying to get off my lap. I really like it. Did I link this up? Yep, good. I do think, though, that this needs to be 2 paragraphs instead of just 1. Thanks, Cesaro. I just wanted to choose that picture somewhere and I was like, ooh, here. So I have this taking up 1 to 6. It's going to take up 7 to 12. And let's have it sit in the center. I guess I should stack them here. Oops. Seb. You're gonna find all the broken links you can up there. I'm sure there will be broken links when the page launches. The site launches, I mean. Okay. Now some of my survey pages. These, I mean, are all templated, so... Oh, okay, well, clearly I didn't finish writing that page. This is my most important one for anyone who receives my newsletter. You know that I like to do some polls. We can go across the whole width here. guess here I need to, if I style this promo block here, I'm guessing it's going to affect the homepage as well, which is good. Oh, and this one doesn't have its grey background. Let's add that. With this block, do I want to set up some sort of grid inside so that this can then come across the whole top? Probably I just want to stack it. Ooh, the other way around though. Ooh, or do I go vertical the other way around? That's interesting. I think I like this. Okay, but then we want this to have 0 here and 32 here. And maybe the whole promo block has less padding? It's not ideal, but I think it's okay. I'm happy enough with it for now. Then here we definitely need to stack. Yeah, that works. The hopeful song! Here it comes, right at the point where we need a morale boost. So yeah, this should apply to all of these servo pages. I'm just going to mark them. Okay, so all that's left... Oh, wait, gallery wall. Great, I can do some more procrastinating. Where did I put it? Oh, into resources. Wait, I didn't look at DIY screen printing yet either, did I? No, okay. Good, we have more, we have more. So this is a page that is linked to from one of my most popular videos. Honestly, maybe I should just get rid of it because it's a page that drives a lot of signups to my email list that where people don't necessarily want my emails because they're just there for the guide, but I don't know. It's good for the Amazon affiliate income, and I figure why not make use of content that I made a long time ago, you know? Okay. Ooh, okay. YouTube. Why are you acting like that? Well, that one can just be a video. Does Webflow allow playlists now? Let's see. I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel and find the playlist. Yeah, productive procrastinating. You're right. We're still getting things done we need to, just not the important stuff. Okay. So if I click on, where is it? Hey, did I miss it? Can I not see them all? There we go. There we go. Am I blind? the... Where is that playlist? Oh wait, it's called there we go. T-shirt business videos. Okay, okay. Shh. Right, let's see if Webflow can let me embed. Okay. Okay, good. Seems like it can now. So we're going to get rid of that HTML embed and just use this because then it'll be nice and responsive. And there is a embedded guide in there. Let's just check that that is on the real site. Nice. That was a good quick meeting, Chris. How'd it go? And cheers for the watch time while you were in your meeting. Yeah, okay, so there's the guide. Nice. That's always a good type of meeting. Yeah, I think I need to stack these lists at that screen size. Great. Okay, how much more procrastinating can I do? That's right, gallery wall, font licensing. Font licensing should be fairly simple. Wait, did I already do it even? Yeah, I think I did, right? Okay, mark that one off. Gallery wall. Oh, did I decide I was going to do this page after all? No. That's right. I'm going to... Yeah, I'd already marked that one as one I wasn't doing. I think I actually might put it as a... No, I'm going to get rid of it completely. I get people emailing me questions about Webflow e-commerce and I'm like, please email Webflow support. I don't know. So we're going to delete this page. And I will go into those videos and remove the link to the page. Just so it's just not even there and not a problem. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this, or maybe I'm just gonna hide it for now because I went to the trouble of styling it. So eventually there'll be a link back to a main resources page. And eventually I will also add in like images of the tech, things like this. These are all Amazon affiliate links as well. But yeah. Ooh, that reminds me. In this page, did I have to put any custom code? Ooh, and that probably wouldn't have copied across from my old site. Let's go grab that. I like my new site so much more than my old site. Okay, no custom code. We're good, we're good. Why do I have the nav links in capital letters? I just like how it looks. That is why. They don't have to be. I just like it. Okay. Right, back to gallery wall. Oh, I need to set up a redirect as well because now it's going to be /resources/DIY screen printing and not just in the top level. So yeah, on this page I have links to a bunch of the art on my walls. And I didn't set it up as a CMS collection, so this list is very annoying to make changes to. So I need to do that one day, but I just, yeah, not right now. Doesn't need to happen right now. Okay, here things get weird. Oh, they're weird there too. Oh god, have I styled these links weirdly? Yep. No, that's okay. I think I should just be able to apply the styling to this instead, because these are... No, it's still being weird. Oh. Wait. There we go. Maybe we'll go 2 by 2 here. And we'll go 1 by 1 here in preparation for when I eventually have images. Ooh, okay, what are you doing that for? Yeah, that's not necessary. You don't need to squish like that. Okay, so you are asking for more space. Might as well just have you go all 12, huh? Okay. This might be a change I want to make to this. Oops. To the button. That inside it, the text is... Do we want to do it all the way up at this level? Oh, weird. Why does the text go centered at that point? Yeah, okay, cool. Well, I've run out of things to procrastinate with. Welcome, Luigi. So what we have left is home and about. Oh, and I need to add another... I already did that. I'm going to add a thumbs up on this. Boom. I did this too. I need to redirect for screen printing page. Spelling, not my strong suit apparently. Okay. Here we go, about page. I'm stopping my procrastination. How do I make this work for me? I guess maybe if I used pixels and not percentages, it might go better. I don't know, there's probably going to be real devs in the comments telling me this is way off, but I would honestly appreciate advice if you have it. See, then we start here and things start to go a little funky. Advice for the best way to do this collage in code, because I purposely want them to be separate images so that I can then have them load in at different times, but getting the placement of them all, like, I don't know the best way to do that without making a mess and, like, you know, with things being able to be responsive. Well, one thing I know is at what point it'll stack. I think at this point it's still okay to be side by side. Yeah. But then here definitely needs to stack. And I think I'll lead with the photos. Cool, that looks great. Okay, we can do the rest of this page though, can't we? Right, that's just the images pushing to the side. Those can stay in 3 at that point, and we probably want to go to 2. Yeah, let's go to 2 at that point. Wish you could select multiple things at once in Webflow. That works. And let's do the same for these. Give them 6 columns. Weird. This has an error. Okay, good. Yep, 6 columns. Start on 2. Yeah, the images are in a container, but I need to like absolute position the images within the container. Maybe I need to have one that stays as relative to set the height. Because I think that's how the homepage one was set up. Oops, what did I do there? Poor Figma column. Yeah, there we go, that was my problem. Okay. Then how do these look as we go down one more? Okay, they definitely need to just be stacked. Okay, Chris, thank you. I'll do that. Oh no, okay, so it's just because of the images that there's extra space there. Should have bloody made these like a CMS collection as well. Be easier to control. Sometimes I don't know why I do the things that I do. Oh, okay, and then this as well. You do not need to be squished. What was it doing here? Yep, also there does not need to be squished. Oh, I see. Okay. Alrighty then, images. My nemesis. I think if I figure it out here, I can apply what I learn to the homepage as well, hopefully. Okay, you are going to be the one that stays relative then. Because then... Okay, yeah, now things have a height. I mean, this image isn't placed right in it, but at least there's a space for it. Heard Nora over there making a noise. Okay, wait, can I place this relative to... It has to be relative to something it's in the container with, right? Yeah, has to be relative to the container, not to this image. Because it'd be very helpful if I could make it relative to an image, right? How might I do that? I guess I could technically put everything within a div. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, so this image here and the heart. Well, can I just put it all in this container? No, that doesn't make sense. I think I want to take about image 2 off this, and I want to apply it to this container instead. Wait. Did it lose what it was? Oh, because it was a combination class. Fucking Webflow, mate. Okay. Right, yeah, so now the heart will stay relative to this picture at least. I think I want to have it done by pixels so that haters will tell me M's, but this can be percentage. And then let me put this and the star in their own div also. Because I can still have the like doodle load in separately. Do I do it relative or absolute? Okay. Oh, you need to be moved over just slightly. Yeah, maybe not. Okay. Now to Team Captain. Hello. Nice to see your username around here. Yeah, I did. I think only one Twitch stream in recent times playing a game, because that's what my Twitch is now, is gameplay. Would you be interested in watching me attempt to play the F1 Managers game? Because I've been considering playing it. Okay. Fuck, this is gonna be so hard to lay out because I can't, like, see what's happening because of the way Webflow does its grid. I guess I'm just gonna have to constantly go back and forth like this. Let's just try it, huh? Okay, so here I need this image to perhaps be a bit smaller. Oh, cool. So the Insta story brought you here, huh? I don't normally remember to, like, say on Instagram when I'm going live, so I like that worked. Okay, so I want to put a max width on this image of 70%. Let's see how that goes. Okay, better. We'll do the same for this image, about image 1. We'll shrink all the images, how about? Okay. I think I'm gonna need to ship this and play with the inspect element because I just can't see what I'm doing. Is this a Webflow bug or is this a bug with how I've built my site? I do not know, but it happens to me in every single site that I've ever used grid on, which is what makes me think it's a Webflow bug. Okay, so you are going to become positioned 0, okay. Cool. And then you need to be, nope, not that much. Let's do that. And then I'll ship this and see how it feels. Oh, the star as well though. We need to bring you over. Where's your little... You can go 58. Let's see how it actually responds, because obviously I'm only looking at it at one static point in this. Please work, please work, please work, please work. The suspense. It's gonna feel so good to get this site live. I'm really proud of it. My little sabbatical project. I seriously only intended to redesign my homepage. Let me show you. Ooh. This was one of my little sticky notes that I had on my wall throughout my sabbatical to like remind me of the things that the ideas I had, the things I wanted to work on. And of course, it turned into a full-on whole website redesign, not just the homepage. Okay. There's an issue here. Oh, wait, that's... Fuck, what's causing that? Is it you or is it something else? What else might be laying outside the... I really hope it's just something to do with this. Ah, yes. Okay. Yeah. There we go. So why are you so fucking wide? Is it because I have you set as... like if we went percentages, would you be better served? No. Something about you is very wide. Why are you so wide? Yeah, why are you so wide? That is wide also, but it doesn't... What if I made you... interesting? Okay, now you're a lot smaller, but you don't seem to have the same problem. At some point, this is like a, you know what, we're not questioning why it works. We're just going with it. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Team Captain. Yeah. When you need a rest, you need a rest. And maybe now is not the time to make a website. I definitely feel like after this season of Inside Marketing Design is like done and going out, I think I'm gonna take a good like time off of side projects for the end of the year. So like maybe have all of December off. Might be needed. Because by then this website will be live. Hopefully I would have made an update to the Inside Marketing Design website. Okay, so we still have the problem. That's annoying. My book will be further along. Wait, why are you still doing that? I thought I... Let's close you in case you're a caching issue. You shouldn't be as wide anymore. Ah, this is so annoying. Okay. What could this be? So it's this div itself. Is your inline block not paying attention? Because that is what I set you as. If I go, what is it, display. Yeah, that works. And now we only have a little bit of overflow. So why did that not actually get applied? Let's play with the positioning first off. Oh, it looks like something is cached. Oh, no, that's because I haven't even reached the smaller breakpoint yet. Oh, God. Right. Okay. That's why. That's why. Okay. So you need to be inline block here too. Let's ship you. I knew it. I knew when I was designing this that this was like I was just making work for myself. Okay. Going good, going good. Going not so good. So there's just a point here where we overlap. So yeah, I think I just need to move it in a bit and then we'll be fine. But yeah, good call, Chris, on putting the doodles within a div, because that's like less positioning to think about at least. Okay, so I think we have like a moment of it there. I don't actually, maybe we don't. I think we're fine. Okay, so now we're in the actual breakpoint that I thought I was styling before. Interesting that it's still got quite something pushing it out, you know? You should be inline block. What if I put a... Nope, it doesn't do a thing apparently. Okay, so you just might need to get even smaller so that everything can fit. What if at this point... Oh, is it because it's relative and not absolute? I wonder. It might be, you know, because the other one doesn't have that same problem. Okay, so we've just undone all the styling that we did, and we're going to try again like this. Might need to go get a water refill at some point. Okay, let's see. That's what I didn't love happening. Okay, so maybe if I just do it by pixels though, then we'll be okay. If I remember correctly, I have started the mobile styling on the homepage for some elements. Could be wrong. Come on, come on, come on. Speed it up. We want to keep our momentum. How's all your work going, folks? I think I'm just going to move the star so that it's, oops, always over a bit more. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And then that'll hang out on the side there and all will be well. Okay, so at this point, yeah, I really need to just do this in here, don't I, to figure it out. It's gonna be oh, nice. Now it's working with the inline block. Interesting. Not what I expected from that. Going great, working on a learning platform. Nice. Are you designing it or building it, Osaro? I've forgotten which you specialize in. So we're going 190 and 560 and we'll see how that works. Sweet. How much longer of the project do you think there is to go? Oof, that stays around for quite a while, doesn't it? Don't love how that is going. Maybe I want to do this by right. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I need to style this based on the right hand side rather than the left. And I had it at 490, okay. And I think I had the image at 100% still as well. No plans to add a dark mode? No. That is a lot of extra effort for a marketing site. That basically means maintaining 2 versions, right? Like checking that in both. How many pages does this website have? Kind of this many, I guess. All the ones you see a green thumbs up on. Hey Dan Designs, thanks. Yeah, I'm really proud of how it's going. And we have no sideways scroll. Okay, so I think we've done this breakpoint. Maybe this star can move over, because I don't know what the fuck it's up to. But then here, okay, what needs to happen? This definitely needs to have top 0. Yep, okay. And then actually, how would I center this in the space at this point? If we say auto, and then does it have a fixed width? Okay, that worked. The heart could use some moving, but let me just ship what that is and we'll play around in the dev tools. Oh wow, was that more or less pages than you expected, Luigi? I think that I was just writing about this for my book the other day. Websites can be deceptively large. Like you look at it and you're like, oh yeah, there's like 4 links in the nav, whatever. And then, you know, you actually get into it and it's like, no, there's actually a lot of things in here. Okay, so this yep, okay, that'll do for the heart. And I want this guy to end up why is there so much space here? I feel like there is... Oh, okay. Right, well I can... Let me make these changes as I think of them. So the heart I was happy with at 41%, and I want to remove... Hello, there you are. Remove the top margin here. And probably, honestly, add a bottom margin at this point. Yeah. Okay, and then this image. We'll go left, 0, right, auto. And then probably like top, something like that, and make it smaller too. Maybe at this point the Z index of this changes, and these become little images on top of it. That could be cute. Auto. Oh, okay. How big did I make you? Oh. Pass and Telper. I think that potentially by using those things in Webflow, it adds semantic HTML tags for you, but that's not something you can write yourself in Webflow, I believe. Someone can correct me if I'm wrong on that. And what am I going to need to start doing to this one? Yeah, Webflow has a great, it's called Webflow University, and I would highly recommend it. Okay, so this, and wait, what are these images going to do as I shrink down even more? Oh, that works well, actually. Okay, okay. I think I want it sitting a little further up. So then this one here, you'll be a lot smaller. And you will position yourself ooh, where'd you go? Ah. Let's just see what happens there. Yes, I would definitely recommend T-Rex for anything. Honestly, I find his videos really, really helpful for anything slightly more complex. Oh, I know what might be happening here. Yeah, it's hidden, right. So we need to make you 300 Z-index as well. Let's move the star over because you're pushing things out at the moment. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this. Have I spent like an hour on positioning these images? Yes. Yes, I have. Are they probably not going to work in a lot of browsers? Probably. I think that's the fun thing about a personal site is that you can like learn in a low stakes environment. Like if I ship a bug, it's not a big deal, you know? If I shipped a bug to the ConvertKit website, that's a problem. Okies. How do I get you to hang out on the... What if I do this? Okay, good. That's what I was hoping would happen. That's always nice. Okay, so I want to add some more to the top so it sits a little bit lower. That might work, you know, let's see. Ooh, Luigi, tell me what you're looking to learn about wireframing in a book. Because I'm writing about wireframing in my book. It's not a book about wireframing, but there is a section on it. Okay, so I think I need to allow this image to be bigger. What can it be? Let's see. What keyboard do you hear clicking? It is. Vermillo is the brand. I have a video on my channel about painting my custom keyboard, which I can't lift up high enough to show you. Let me take a quick picture and show you. It's not a wireless one. Oop. Excuse the reflection. There we go. That's what the keyboard looks like. Yep, exactly, Osaro. It's the one that I spray painted. Yep, you can, Chris. You're about to tell me I should have been doing that, right? Why does this one behave itself so much more? I guess because it's the... that's why. I think we're nearly there with this, so I'm going to stick with it for now. But that the star needs to be set by a percentage. Yeah, you know you can search on a YouTube channel if you go on someone's channel and then the search icon that's not at the top of the box like where you normally search, but there's one like within the controls on a channel. Yeah, you can use that and search my channel. I think I forgot to change, yep, the width here. Okay, let's see. Image too big still. Oh, they don't have that Asara? That's so annoying. If you follow me on Instagram, have you seen that I've been making some reels lately? Also, they've been on TikTok, so maybe you might follow me there too. But one of them, I'm really proud. I made like an update on how my website was going, and it's had 16,000, like nearly 17,000 views, if the camera will focus. No, the camera doesn't want me to be proud of that? Fine. But I am. I like it. We're shipping it. I think I'm just going to reduce the bottom padding on this whole section here. Oh, 56, right? Yeah. No, maybe less than that. 48. Okay, I'm giving this a start. Obviously, I've got to go through on an actual phone and check all of this, and maybe then I can start crying about things not working, but hey. On to the home page! Okay, so I know the first thing I should do is change this to put these in their own little divvies as well. I don't know why I didn't think of that at the start, quite frankly, but hey, that is why it's great that Chris is here. Oh no, out of there, please. Thank you, Osaru. Do I want this to technically be in a div with this? Probably, right? Yeah, okay, let's do it. I am going to do this now. I was tempted to just then say, well, I'll do the image last, but come on, let's get this done. Okay, so I need this, which is hero image main. I think we're going to remove the styling from there and add it to here instead. And you are going to be relative. Okay. Then hero image 1. Hero image. I'm just going to call it this. And you are going to be 2. And you are both going to be... What did I end up on? Were these absolute or relative? Absolute. Okay. You are going to be absolute. And you were going to have a Z index of 200. Okay. The naming of these is really annoying me because actually this is actually the second one that is seen, so it doesn't make much sense. Okay. Places. So you can be over there and dropped down, oop, 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 oop. And then a little bit in so that, oops. Yep. Like that, maybe up a bit. And then I know I need to replace the star still. Then you just came down a tiny little bit. Like that. Okay. And then within this, yeah, if you go down there, then I can just go bloop, 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 bloop. Nice. Hello, fried bacon. First off, my name is Charlie. Marie is my second name, but don't worry, lots of people make the mistake. You can export code from Webflow to host on your own if you want, but I would highly recommend their hosting. Honestly, it's one of the things I love about using Webflow is that I don't have to worry about, like, I don't know, transferring files to a server or anything like that. It makes its own staging site for you. That's how I'm able to see like how the site I'm working on is looking in the browser. Just makes all of that so easy. And yeah, that is a thing that I love about it. But if you like I don't know, if you've got your own solution already for hosting, then I can see how that might be annoying. And this honestly is doing pretty well in here now that I've placed it, but yeah, I think you could come down just a little bit more. Okay. let's see how this looks in the wild. Or should we do just one more breakpoint first? Ooh! Okay, so we're gonna make our main image smaller. $70? Okay. And we also want it to sit centered in the space. Oh, okay, that does have that on. Okay. So we want to make these images a lot smaller. Shall I actually just set a width to it? Maybe that's better. Let's publish and see how we're going. Oh, this is not even the home page. Looking good. Still okay. Yes, we shrink. Yeah, so just making these smaller and I think we'll be good. Let's see what happens if I put width. Well, how big are you now? 176. So if we put width 120, that works. And if on you we put width, wait, what are you now? 172, 150. I feel like I want to move it down here as well so that it can fill this space a little better. So maybe we want to add a top margin. Oh, interesting. Then that happens. Do I need to just add a top margin to all of them? Maybe. Okay, anyway, some fixed widths. This one was 150. This one was 120. And interesting. Right, I didn't go small enough, I guess. I guess at some point it's just not going to be overlapping. I honestly feel like I could make... this is an idea. What if I made this wider at this point? Like it could probably fill up to 70. And then the image is just like overlapping a tiny bit and it'll still look okay. Inspect element is helping me because in the Webflow canvas, this is what I see. When you use grids, or when I use grids at least, I don't know if other people have this problem or if it's something I'm doing wrong, but it just looks like a mess until you preview. Then you get a chance to see what it'll actually look like. But that's not very helpful when I'm trying to like position things. Okay, I think I still need some top margin on this. Oh, okay. And we get an overlap there that is not so great. Yeah, this is quite a wide breakpoint. Like, there's a lot of different changes happen. I guess I could just change... How have I got this overlapping anyway? I've forgotten how I even set that up. Right, I think I just have this going over 2 columns. Rows, I mean. Yeah, I do. Okay. Okay. Maybe we'll do this. Let's just see how that worked. Can you tell as I'm like going for longer, I start slouching. Might need to take a water break soon. Okay, let's see. How has this worked? We go boop to... a little close, like could do with a bit less overlap. But all in all, aside from this arrow call out, I think we're okay. Ooh, in Tulpa, I'm a big fan of it for if there's like something you want to communicate, that a video can just demonstrate better. Like, I especially like it for events. I feel like a video can really help show the energy of an event. But you definitely need to be careful that you don't have sound on it. What kind of page is it that you're thinking of adding a video hero to? You have to see this, one sec. This is how Nora is sleeping next to me on the daybed. So comfortable. So cute. Our call out arrow is still not quite right. There is a lot of room for it to move out though, so let's just try like -18. And we might need to bring it down a bit as well. Yeah, okay. Okay. And then do I actually just want to make it go full width there? No, I think we'll leave it like that. Okay. And then here we have, whoop, new breakpoint. So definitely want this at this point here to go full width, 100%. What else do I want to have happen? can we realistically keep the images, or do we need to hide them? Why do you come up at this point either? Interesting. I shouldn't have placed you based on... You should be placed based on the bottom. Yeah, that's better. You know what? I don't even think I really even thought about how I wanted this to look on mobile. So this is a problem. I think I want to have the text and then the images and then the sign up. I think that's what I want. From, I guess from this breakpoint on, just for ease. Okay, so we want to do, nope, from here. Yep, absolutely I have. Hello, Amando, how are you? They are, you're right, sorry. And then the email block can be on 3. My thoughts are that companies absolutely need to be aware of that and making sure that things are readable, but that also it's a computer evaluating it, and I don't believe it's always accurate. There is a, whatever the latest version is, I don't know if it's out or if it's coming out or whatever, seems much better. Like, yeah, much more accurate. There was times where you would look at something and be like, this is clearly very high contrast and fine, but it would fail. Or it would tell you that something would pass when I'm like, I have no sort of color blindness, anything like that, and even I am finding this hard to read. So, yeah. Much better the latest one. Ooh, okay, we got some things happening here that maybe aren't what should be happening. That's right, we'll fix it, we'll fix it. How much of a mess is the rest of the homepage? This one's going to be tricky because I don't know. This is like set in my custom code. Ooh, okay. So I can change it here. I wonder if let's just try this. Do we think it's fine with 5 at tablet? I think I'd actually prefer 4. This is going to be so handy if this is just built in and it just works. Okay, so that's not going to validate right now because I haven't published, but I'm just going to... Okay. That is working. I think I need a little less space above here. Maybe even less. Even less again? I don't know. Okay, and then this needs... Okay, what if we can still get some sort of nice overlapping action happening? Because I don't like when everything just literally stacks on mobile. I feel like it can look really boring. I would like to be able to still get some overlap action. So if we allow a bit of space... 48 plus 8 is 56. Just me trying to do math on the fly in my head. Okay, and then if this has less of a bottom margin... That's kind of nice. Then we can still have, yeah. And I think even less margin here. Like, am I going to go that low? Yeah, why not? Okay. Would the text look better centered on mobile? Let's try it. This is so exciting. We're getting close. What roadblocks am I gonna hit before this page is out? Okay, so it's a little bit weird looking at that point, but it's not so bad. I think these images need to go even smaller on this point. Ugh, and my form. I'm gonna need to do some media queries in ConvertKit for that, which my brain is... I don't know if I can handle that today, but that's okay. Let's just make these smaller at this point. The call out isn't quite working, is it? I think it's the arrow. Like maybe if I make the arrow smaller. Which I don't love doing because then it's a different different weight. That's not bad, you know. That's not bad at all. Good morning from Chicago. Okay. I mean, good morning over in Chicago. Alright, I need to go grab water. Let me add a big note in case anyone joins. While I'm doing that. There we go. Can't be missed, huh? And I will be back shortly. Why, right as I went to get water, did the Epidemic Sound playlist end? I came back too quick, Chris. Oh no, don't tell me the audio isn't working. That's my biggest fear. Yeah, it's a small apartment. It's easy to get to the kitchen quickly. Okay, where were we? We were refreshing this. Screw you, Chris. Joke's on me if you're not telling a joke. Okay. I like that. I think I'm happy with that. Let's see how the rest is doing, huh? Ooh, did this work? Yes! Look at that. Cool. Clearly lots of issues to fix, but at least the number of slides is working. I know you're kidding me. What's a ConvertKit does? ConvertKit is an email marketing platform for creators. You can also sell digital products on it with very low fees. Run a paid newsletter. Collect signups. And that is the cheapest plan. Well, actually it's not. You can have a plan, I think it's like, I know it's $9 a month when you pay annually for 300 subscribers. And on the paid plans, you get access to automations as well. Automations is how I do things like send out an email when someone buys my font to ask for their feedback on it. That part of ConvertKit is like Gumroad in that you can sell digital products, yeah. But you get a lot more as well. And I believe our fees are less than Gumroad. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. Our fees are less than Substack. That I know for sure. Okay, so let's just make our way down this page. That's cute. I like it. We just need to sort that out. That's okay. We'll get there. Fun. We got some great sideways scrolling happening here. Okay. This section here seems okay. Or like as okay as it can be. I would like to be able to position that photo a little better. Let me see about that. We'll just work our way down. What are you looking to use it for, Luigi? Absolutely no new info, and honestly that's not even on my radar to plan at the moment. It's more like, I would say it's a dream rather than a plan, if that makes sense. Like, I would love to be able to do that, but right now I'm just not in a position to. But it's like a goal that I have for like while I'm still at ConvertKit to set that up. Building a brand market, nice. Yeah, I think it'd be perfect for that. Okay, what if we set it to that? Hi Abdella, thanks for joining us. Yeah, I mean I find them super fun too, but it's folks like you joining that make them what they are. Otherwise it's just me sitting here by myself. Okay, so this seems to be behaving here, but then for some reason, Let's just ship this again. Yeah, exactly. Dreaming of the opportunity. Hi, Lao Only. And bye, Lao Only. Did I miss when you said hi before? I'm sorry if I missed that. Oh, I did. I just scrolled back up. Thanks for joining us. Okay, now I thought that the edits I made to the promo block on the other page were going to apply here too. Oh, do I have to set this? Is this not done? Yeah, interesting. Interesting indeed. Nice, Chris. We love to see it. I thought that on the other page I already set that to go that direction for a promo block. What page was it? It was this page. Oh, fucking hell. Right, it's because it had a... that's so annoying, because it had a combination class on it. Yeah, one of those Webflow quirks. I feel like I should be writing this down as like a Webflow quirks video could be quite good, huh? Just making a little note. So that probably means, yeah, for this I also need to change the padding. Wow, there's some fun stuff happening here, isn't there? Okay. Did I? Yeah, I already started my about page. Okay. Great, that looks better now. This image is more in the middle. I think at this point we shouldn't have it in the middle anymore. Okay, what is happening here? It is this carousel that is pushing this out. What the fuck you up to? And where is your width coming from? Because it seems to be, yeah, like it visually looks like it's behaving here. Though that said, why is that set to 100%? Okay, we got our grid, we got our grid. How have I got you behaving yourself and the other one isn't? This container. Okay, maybe is it anything to do with being justified? Surely not. I think it's something to do with this, which is being added through custom code. But what specifically within this is controlling the width? Is it something in the code? No, this is using, it's this one here, I think. Ooh, good question, Luigi. I would say the newest skill set I've been adding to is learning to coach. We've been doing that through some training at work that I've been then like obviously applying to the team that I lead, but also using it in my mentoring sessions as well. So like switching between mentoring and coaching depending on what the situation is calling for. How do I get you to behave yourself? What about you, Luigi? What have you been learning recently? I was not expecting this to be the major issue that I faced. Okay, at least for the rest of the page at this breakpoint, we're looking okay. Ah, yeah, it seems like this has a fixed width on it or something. Is that what this is yelling at me about? Is that what it is? I can't tell. I don't know if what I watch is counted as K-drama or if K-drama is more like Korean soap operas, if that makes sense. Tell me if that's wrong, but I have been really enjoying watching things like, what are they called? Dr. Brain, All of Us Are Dead, I think is the name of it. What other Korean shows we've been watching? A lot of the things on Netflix. And yeah, some movies and things as well. But they're not like, I don't know. I wouldn't call them all dramas. Just like good TV. Nice, learning Spanish. Sarah's learning product management. That's exciting. Absolutely, that sounds very useful. Okay, I'm gonna do everything else and then come back to that because clearly it is not my friend. At this size, you can come from column 6. And you, interesting. I see. Maybe I just need to say this goes over 2 rows. Yeah, there we go. And then these arrows need to come in a little bit. I think they're on my style guide page. Ooh, that's exciting, Stephanie. We can be launch buddies. How much longer do you think you've got to go on yours? Target at the end of September. Nice. Thanks for joining us, Luigi. And thanks for the good questions. Okay, this definitely needs to stack here. I think it's fine at this point. Is it? No, let's stack it there too. Or maybe we just need to make give the card less padding. Oh, sweet! Is it new website season? Is that what happened? Ah, I see. Okay, let's try. Nice. Wow, you've been working that a while, Chris. Good on you for like not losing momentum on it. Okay, Stephanie, when do you feel like you really started on it? Then, like you were procrastinating on it. When did you decide, okay, I'm shipping this by the end of September and actually start focusing on it? And Osara's in the thinking about it phase. An important phase, like, you know, to be fair. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Right, you could be wider and so could you. How are you created? Ah, I see. And ah, right, I see. What could this be, folks? Why is this happening? I think it's something to do with the fact that this is being injected through a effing sweet attribute. If I put width 100%, does that do anything? Or on this. It's just gonna be what it wants to be. What if it had a max width of the screen size? It's like, I don't care. Oh wait, that's because I forgot to write pixels. This is messy, I don't know. I'm considering just hard coding this carousel rather than like wasting a lot of time trying to make it work. You know what I mean? And Julia just started to plan a website redesign. Nice. Welcome to website redesign season. Okay, you need to be wider there too then apparently. Wait, I thought I... Oh. It wasn't up to date yet. There we go, that's better. That's not as ideal. Why is that happening? Have we got a... Right, yeah, okay. So that just means I need to make this go over 2 rows and then we should be okay there. What? Why are you not? Let's see. Did that help? Stephanie also has to redesign. Another Stephanie doing a redesign. Oh, that's so cool, Stephanie. Is that what your new website will be like promoting? Okay, at least it's up high enough, but now we need to give you a little bit of a... Well, yeah, let's just put you in columns 8 to 12. There we go. Okay, let's continue shrinking. Okay, so once again, it didn't follow the rules. How did I do this? Right, there. Okay, not that then. That's working great. Why can't my other carousel do this? Maybe that's what I need to do. Yeah, and then these definitely need to stack here. How's that? That'll do. Let's stack this as well. I have a feeling that I'm not going to be clicking publish today, but that will get close, which is still exciting. I'm confused about where this block is placed. Oh no, yeah, okay, okay. Somewhere it seems like I'm missing a margin. Nope, it's just because this has a random left padding on it. Actually I need to swap this around, don't I? This is gonna go row 1. And then, yeah, that goes row 2, then this, and then this. Okay. I think that's the page aside from my weird testimonial issue done. And the only reason I'm not going to push to publish right now is because I have that next Inside Marketing Design recording in less than 30 minutes now. So I want to make sure I sign off early enough to prep for that. And like maybe give my voice a rest for a bit. Grrr! Why are you fucking me over, you bloody testimonial quote? Okay. I think we're gonna go manual. I think we have to. Ooh, yeah, interesting. Okay, so we're definitely missing some margin on these. Although that seems to have some. Are you faking it? Yeah, that needs some side margin. Okay, padding, I mean. Let's add it on here in general. Because what does our regular container have? 24. So we're going to put 24 pixel padding there. And then on this block, right, I guess we're going to put 24 pixel padding on both sides. Is there... Right, and then we'll just take 24 off here to the... Yeah. Okay. How quickly could I just literally copy these things in? Let's see, shall we? So I had it mentoring testimonial container. So if we put that on this slide, let's put a div inside it. And then we add a rich text block from which I can copy. Nope. Can I copy you, please? So this is not ideal because it means I'm going to have to, yeah, come in here and do this manually, but... and that just said testimonial byline. Interesting. Why doesn't it fit? I guess I just need to make it a bit taller. Because how do I add another slide? There we go, like that, just like that. Did it work? No? Do I just copy and paste this? Okay, yes. This doesn't seem to be functioning very well for me. I do still think that the end result, this will be faster than trying to figure out what's wrong with the attributes thing. Oh god, I need to copy this first. Copy, paste. And then I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just remove the attributes for now. Where there we go. Let's just ship this and see what happens. Okay, so that's working aside from the fact that this quote is longer. And it's still doing something weird here. Okay. Why? Oh my god. What is causing this? And what is the difference between this one and this one? That this one is working. Ah. Did I not set an exact width on this one? No, it has one. Is that the wrong width? Oh, maybe it's the wrong width. Maybe that should be max width? Yeah, I think that is it. Something's still breaking there-ish, isn't it? I see. It's because I have my container set up to do some... Wait, does it not even need a width? No, it needs something. Unless I just embrace breaking the grid for this? Nah, don't like how that looks. The problem I'm having, Chris, is with these... Oh, hang on. Let me put that back to what it actually was. So to do this situation, right? To have this keeping in line with visually with the container that other content is in, but to have this image on the side the way I've set it up. I have a container here, like half a container, that is, yeah, half a container width wide. But that means that as I shrink in because of the grid, it gets to a point where actually the container needs to shrink. But the grid's like giving it space and not making things exactly equal. So I need the CSS grid to enforce both columns being of equal width. That's problem number one. And then we get to here and I still don't know what the problem is with this bloody carousel. Oh, maybe that is the problem still. Let me just completely remove that effing sweet code from the page without breaking. I think it's just this. Oh, I hope so. Because I think splide is a different thing. Oh, let's click save and publish and see if that happened. Nope, we still have the problem. Did I refresh? I did, right? And it had published? Yep. Okay, so it's no longer putting any sort of effing sweet stuff in there. That's good. But yeah. Basically, how do I enforce CSS grid to be exactly 50-50? And to force this content to shrink? This is going to be a very frustrating, like, point to end on, isn't it? But it might be what we have to do. That's what I thought that I had. Oh wait, that's right, I changed it. Hang on, let me do that in there. Let's try again. For our half container, we're going to set max width 585 pixels and width 100% like you said. Though I believe I tried this in DevTools and it didn't work. I guess I just need to, no, This is annoying. This is all because I, yeah, see, no, it's still not doing it. It's definitely... See, this one is staying 50-50 at least, but this one is not. This one just really wants to be this wide. And I do believe it is the testimonial causing it. Because if I delete that element, wait, let's try it. Yep, still there. If I delete this element, boom, we go to the look that I'm wanting. So it is that carousel that's causing the problem. That is nice to have that confirmed. Hi, Gad. We are in the last, I would say, like 5 minutes of the stream, I'm gonna be honest, as you've joined, but yeah, I've run into a problem that is being really annoying. And I don't know what to do about it. Okay, so let's look at what I have set up. Does anything have a width? No, the carousel does not have a max width anywhere within it. Well, this heart does. Let's I don't know how to take it off. Oh right, that's just all images have that, so I'm sure that's not the problem. Could these I'm gonna delete this now at least. It's not bad, you know, that we've gotten here. I feel like with some time away from this, I will crack this. Or I'll just like design a different solution and not have a carousel and just put one quote there and it'll be much easier. Because like I said, my point is wanting to get things shipped. Yeah, it's definitely the carousel. And it's saying the width is coming from... Ooh! No, that's normal. Okay, I think we're gonna have to leave it here, folks. And yeah, maybe I'll stream tomorrow. Would you be interested in that? Would you be interested in watching me add some interactions and like it'll be like final_v2. We got close today though, didn't we? And I think this is looking really cool. I'm just super proud of this. I feel like finally my website is like a reflection of the things that I'm doing, you know? We just need to get this bloody carousel sorted. Yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. Okay, I do have to jump because recording for Inside Marketing Design is going to happen. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for trying to help me solve my problems. And I know there was some that you actually did help me solve. So thank you for being here for doing that. And just thank you for your company in general. I just really like this group of people and doing these co-working club streams. So yeah, maybe see you tomorrow for some side project work. And yeah, thanks for joining. Bye.